In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download, install, and log in to MetaTrader 4 on your PC. MetaTrader 4 is a widely used platform for trading Forex and CFDs, and getting it up and running on your computer is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, you need to have an account with a Forex or CFD broker to trade using MetaTrader 4. If you haven't done so already, take a moment to open a brokerage account. This typically involves filling out a registration form with your personal details. During this registration, make sure to select MetaTrader 4 as your trading platform. Most brokers will have this option readily available, given MT4's popularity. Once you've registered, your broker will either provide you with a direct download link for MetaTrader 4 or guide you to their client portal. It's crucial to download the correct version that matches your device's specifications. Head over to your broker's website and download the .exe installation file. This file is essentially the setup package that will install MetaTrader 4 on your computer. After downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder or the location where your browser saves files. You'll see the MetaTrader 4 installation file there. Double-click on it to begin the installation process. At this point, your system may prompt you with a security warning, asking if you want to allow the application to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. Next, take a moment to read through the license agreement. It outlines the terms and conditions for using the software. Once you've read and understood this information, go ahead and accept the agreement. Now, you'll have the option to select the installation folder. If you're fine with the default location, just click Next. However, if you want to install it in a different directory, click on Settings to specify a new path. Then, continue with the installation by clicking Next again. The installation process will only take a few minutes. Once it's complete, the MT4 terminal will automatically launch. You'll need to log in to access your trading account, so have your account number, password, and server details handy. Your broker should have provided these credentials during your account registration. If you're not quite ready to trade with real money, starting with a demo account is a great alternative. It allows you to explore the platform and simulate trades without any financial risk. Simply select the option to create a demo account during the login process, and you'll be able to test strategies and get comfortable with MT4's features. And there you have it. You're all set up to start using MetaTrader 4 on your PC. Whether you're going live or just testing the waters with a demo account, you're now equipped to begin your trading journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find success on the trading platform.